Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so excited that you joined me today, and I'm excited to show you what I'm going to be making. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. In today's project, I have a 30-ounce modern curve tumbler that I've already prepped by using a couple different shades of dark blue and black, and I just kind of misted them over the cup, and I just kept going until I got this kind of midnight blue color. And I've already got my resin mixed up, so I'm going to be doing the epoxy method, and I'm using a Resin, which is a 1-to-1 ratio, and I have about 5 milliliters in this cup, and I'm just using my finger and applying the epoxy over the surface of the cup and making sure I get it good and coated and onto the bottom, and then I'm using my heat gun just to make sure that I have a smooth surface. And next I'm going to be adding mica powders directly into or onto the epoxy, and I'm using Celestial by Magic Moon micas, and I didn't actually use the other white there. I just stuck with the Celestial blue, and I'm just putting it on the cup and then using this brush to spread it around onto the surface of the cup and getting it to adhere to the epoxy. And it looks like it's really dark, but this actually kind of shifts colors, and it goes from this dark, almost black color to a light blue, and you'll see that as I move through the video. Right now I'm just making sure that it's all rubbed down into the epoxy and that I don't have any loose mica. So I will let it cure overnight and then come back and put a layer of Resin over the surface of the cup again to seal that mica into the cup. And I've already got my layers of mica on there. Resin. And as you can see how that color shifts, and it has this blue shimmer to it, but it also has the darker colors that, depending on how the light hits it, that it kind of shifts the colors. And I think what I'm going to do is use this area right here. It's all pretty smooth, but I want to pick an area to add the decal to. I want to make sure that I have the areas where it's really kind of swirled to stand out. So I'm using this decal here, and I cut it in half because it's just way too big to try to put it all on at once. And this is red vinyl. I feel like the vinyl will stand out really good against this blue, and I kind of wanted to do a red, white, and blue theme anyway. I'm making this cup for my brother-in-law, who is a mechanic, and he's always taking care of my vehicle needs and other household repairs. So just to show him how much I appreciate him, just kind of want to do this as a special little tribute to his skills and ability. And I had a little problem right here with one of the vinyl letters. It moved when I was adding it to the cup, so I'm just correcting it, getting it back in place, and making sure that it sticks to the surface of the cup. And now I'm working on the little tool decal that I cut out. And I didn't want to remove all of the vinyl, and I used chrome colored. And so I just wanted to peel just a few of those little details out so the blue of the cup would come through. And now I'm adding a little bit more details using white accents along the edges, so I can go get that red, white, and blue theme. Little stripes here, and then I got some stripes that go right down here at the bottom. And then I will add some stars as well. So that will do the red, white, and blue theme for the front of the cup. Everything that I used will be listed below in the details of the description of the video. The color paints I used and websites where you can get the mica powder if you're interested. The vinyl that I used is all Cricut vinyl, and I think I got it all at either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And here it is all finished, and in this light you can see how the color has shifted dark, but there's still that blue sheen to it. And this is the font that I used for his name on the back. It is actually Tools, which I think is really cool. Love how it turned out. And this is such a cute, funny little saying. It fits his personality perfectly. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do that now. And if you ring that bell, you'll get notified when I upload future videos. If you have any comments or questions, I love to hear your feedback, and I try to respond. And I want you to know how much I appreciate you taking your time out to watch my video. All that helps my channel grow, and I'm extremely thankful for that. So I just want to say thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.